Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure WordPress for freelance blogging, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the settings in the sidebar menu. Click on General to configure your site title and tagline. Enter a descriptive site title that reflects your blogging niche. Next, fill in a catchy tagline that summarizes your blog's purpose. Scroll down and check the WordPress address and site address fields. Make sure they both match the URL of your website. Now, move to the writing section under Settings. Choose the default post category that suits your overall blog theme. Select the default post format that you prefer. Next, head over to the Reading section. Set your home page to display either your latest posts or a static page. Adjust the number of posts you want to display on each page. Go to the Discussion section to manage comment settings. Decide if you want to allow comments on your posts. You can also moderate comments before they appear publicly. Now, navigate to the Permalinks section to establish your URL structure. Select the post name option for SEO-friendly URLs. This makes your blog posts easier to find and share. Next, install essential plugins to enhance functionality. Go to the Plugins section and click on Add New. Search for plugins like Yoast SEO for improving search engine visibility. Install and activate essential plugins for performance and security. Now, focus on selecting a theme that resonates with your brand. Navigate to the Appearance section and click on Themes. Browse available themes or upload a preview the theme and install it once you're satisfied. Customize your theme by clicking on Customize under the Appearance section. Change colors, fonts, and layouts to match your personal style. Now, create essential pages like About, Contact, and Privacy Policy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.